Hello, testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3. Yay, bonjour classe. Aujourd'hui c'est le 10 May, May 10th already. All right, let's take a look at let's go to qui est. It's from May 10th. Qui est? Again, we're learning some family members in this chapter. Le frère, la mère, le cousin, etc. So go through your vocabulary list first of all. And we have lots of, there we go, family members. You can listen through those. I don't think it'll play on this computer right now, but grandparent, yeah, husband, to do the vocab. Write down ones you don't know or need help with. And then let's try the exercise. Here we go. So you might want to pause it till you study the vocab, then we'll come back to it. All right, le frère de ma cousine. The brother of my cousin. Who would that be? Le frère de ma cousine. So it's going to be a guy, so it has to have a mon in front of it. The brother of my cousin. Right, it's going to be the boy cousin. So ma cousine is a girl cousin, but mon cousin is the boy cousin. Le père de mon cousin, so the father of my cousin, so my cousin's father would be your uncle, right? So do we have my uncle? Oh, there it is. Mon oncle. Mon oncle. Le mari de ma grand-mère, so the spouse or the husband of my grandmother. So it's a guy, so look for mon. Mon. Grandma's husband is probably going to be grand-père, grandpa. Now we have le fils de mon père, the son of my brother. So imagine your brother has a son. That's going to be your nephew. Is there one for nephew? Remember, it has to be mon because it's a guy. Mon neveu, yeah. Now, la fille de mon grand-père, the daughter of my grandfather. Could be a couple ones here. The daughter of my grandfather. Look for ma, because it's a girl. Wouldn't be my sister. Yeah, it would be my aunt. There you go. La fille de mon grand-père is ma tante. And le fils de ma mère, the son of my mother. Le fils de ma mère. So the son of my mother could be yourself if you're a guy, or my brother, mon frère. And la fille de mon fils, the daughter of my son. So imagine you're older now. The daughter of my son. So my son's daughter is going to be it's a girl, my granddaughter. And they say ma petite fille. And le fils de ma belle-mère, the son of my mother-in-law. So the son, so it has to be a mon one. The son of my mother-in-law or stepmother. Could be mother-in-law or stepmother. So let's take a look. The son of my, wouldn't be grandpa. Wouldn't be cousin. No. Oh, there we go. The son of my stepmother would be my half-brother. Could be. See what happens? Yay, voila! Hope this helps.